This hair is just amazing, and I cannot wait to tell you all about it.
Till the quiet and the echoes became colder. And I never really knew that it was over. Till the quiet and the echoes became colder.
Hi everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this video where I talk about this amazing headband wig from the company UNice. I've been working with them for a bit now. I've received a few units from them and I absolutely love them. I love the quality, the texture of the hair. But this headband wig is by far my favorite of them all. I'm going to show you all how I lay my hair in the front to go along with the headband wig, as well as how I style this headband wig. And you guys, it is so soft and smooth and amazing. I used it a lot while I was on vacation, a mini vacation with my husband. And I absolutely loved wearing it. It was so easy, it was so simple, it was so quick to throw on, and that's what I love the most about headband wigs. So keep on watching to see how I style this one. Okay. Okay, so this headband wig is the UNice Body Wave headband wig. It has no lace, it's glueless, and it's in 150% density, 18-inch. So I will link everything in the description box down below. Make sure you visit the UNice store over on Amazon and check out this hair. It is absolutely so soft and smooth. I made sure to wash it just so I can then like play around with it and make some nice pretty curls or some waves. And so I'm going to show you how I do that. But first I'm going to lay my hair in the front. I'm going to use a little bit of this olive oil Hold and Shine Wrap Set Mousse from ORS. I'm going to use some of that on this side of my hair. I always use gel, but I'm trying to like mix it up, try different things, and not always like use gel. And then I'm gonna put this on my hair for a couple of minutes and let it set. And let it keep my hairs down. And then the top front of my hair that's right here, I'm gonna tuck this underneath my wig cap that I have on. That side, and now this side. So this is how I always do my hair underneath my headband wigs, just because it's so much easier. And it all comes, like it'll all come together. These hairs on the side never stay down. They just don't stay down. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this on my hair for about 5 to 10 minutes, just so it can set and look nice. And I'm gonna come back and show you all how the headband wig hair unit looks. Here is how the hair looks. It has 2 combs on the side, 1 comb on the back, an adjustable strap, and then it has this big Velcro strap here so you can so you can attach it. Now let me pull this hair out first, out my way, so that I can. So I can pull it down. Pull it under. Now I'm gonna take off this. Here is down like this. It is so unbelievably soft. I cannot even stress that enough how soft this hair is. I shampooed and conditioned it, and this is how it looks. It is so soft and full. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to style it. I'm gonna style half on camera, and then the other half I'll just like speed it up because it's gonna get repetitive. Even like when I comb this hair, it's like, it's so soft, so unbelievably soft. Barely any hair comes out, so there's not a lot of shedding, which is good. Okay, so I'm gonna split this hair in half. This half is gonna go up. Alright, and now this half, I'm gonna put some curls in it, and then I probably might like take this big comb and just comb the curls out. I think that'll be cool to try. Let me just do this. Let's see if this stays with this. I might have to use a couple of options because the hair is so soft. You know, like when hair is sometimes too soft, it doesn't stay. This was happening with this hair. So I heated my flat iron up, and I'm just going to curl it. I want to see how the curls come out. I'm very, very interested to see how this hair curls. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Show you guys how pretty. Pretty curl. Do the next section. I'm not doing the sections too big. Like not too big and not too small. Kind of like a little bit medium size. Just so I can see how the hair curls and how it looks in the end. Oh, so freaking pretty. Oh, I can't wait to see how this looks in the end. It's gonna look so pretty. I'm just touching the roots a little bit like this, just to straighten them, and then just curling them with the flat iron. And I have the flat iron at 450 degrees, so just keep in mind that this hair will take heat very, very well. So even if it's a high amount of heat, it's not burning the hair or anything. Ooh, it's so pretty.
As the leaves start falling down and the shadows above the town, I can finally see now. I see the fear inside your eyes. I see the pain hidden in your smile. I can finally see you now. Oh, we radiate all over the world. We used to radiate, get radiate, but now we're drowning.
Right. I'm almost done with this half.
As the leaves start falling down and the shadows above the town, we used to radiate, but now we're drowning.
Okay, so this side of my hair is done. Look at how beautiful these curls look. Like, they just look stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. And now I'm gonna do this side and just speed this part up.
I see the fear inside your eyes. I see the pain hidden in your smile. I can finally see you now. Oh, we radiate all over the world. We used to radiate, get radiate, but now we're drowning. As the leaves start falling down.
Look at how the hair looks. So gorgeous. But it looks so gorgeous. I'm gonna comb it out as soon as I take off this part and figure out which headband I want to put on. I'm gonna put on this one here, this blue one that I got. I just did this and that. So here is how it looks now. I'm gonna take this comb, kind of like comb it through it a little bit, comb some of these curls out. You could leave the curls the way they were, but me, I just want to comb them out just to see how they look. They look stunning. This hair feels, when I tell you guys it feels incredibly soft, like it feels so soft. Like I cannot even with how soft this hair feels. And this part. And it looks like my own hair. It looks so natural and pretty. Let me wrap up this video for you all. I mean, this hair is just so stunning, so pretty. I absolutely, absolutely love it. It is so soft, so silky and smooth. Shampooing and conditioning it was such a breeze. Then I just detangled it and I let it air dry. And then as you can see, I flat ironed it and it was such a smooth and easy process. I absolutely love this hair. Make sure you check it out from UNice. They have an Amazon store. I'm going to link everything in the description box down below, as well as some other best-selling hair units that they have. Make sure you check out the description box. And if you are interested in purchasing this hair, you will not regret it. You can put any kind of headband you want, any different color, and it will look so pretty. I used this hair a lot when I was on vacation, but when I used it, I just kind of left it the way it was when I first put it on, and you guys saw how it was like air dried. I just left it air dried. I didn't try and put any heat on it or anything like that. But now that I put heat on it, it is so pretty. It's still very, very soft and smooth, and you can still style it. It goes well with heat tools, so just keep that in mind. You can use heat tools with this and it won't burn the hair or anything. And I absolutely, absolutely love it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really, really do appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, as well as me and my brand, The Luxe Princess, then make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I'm uploading 3 days a week, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Leave any video suggestions down below in the comment section. I love to hear what you all think. Let me know if you like headband wigs, or let me know what other units you do like and what other videos you want to see that are hair related. And of course, don't forget to check out the description box where I link everything. Thank you all so much for watching. I will check you all out very, very soon. Bye, guys.